Here is the sequence of chapters in the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, 2023, as mentioned in the file. 1. Preliminary. 2. Constitution of Criminal Courts and Offices. 3. Power of Courts. 4. Powers of superior officers of police and aid to the magistrates and the police. 5. Arrest of persons. 6. Processes to compel appearance. A. Summons. B. Warrant of arrest. C. Proclamation and attachment. D. Other rules regarding processes. 7. Process to compel the production of things. A. Summons to produce. B. Search warrants. C. Miscellaneous. 8. Reciprocal arrangements for assistance in certain matters and procedure for attachment and forfeiture of property. 9. Security for keeping the peace and for good behavior. 10. Order for maintenance of wives, children, and parents. 11. Maintenance of public order and tranquility. A. Unlawful assemblies. B. Public nuisances. C. Urgent cases of nuisance or apprehended danger. D. Disputes as to immovable property. 12. Preventive action of the police. 13. Information to the police and their powers to investigate. 14. Jurisdiction of the criminal courts in inquiries and trials. 15. Conditions requisite for initiation of proceedings. 16. Complaints to magistrates. 17. Commencement of proceedings before magistrates. 18. The charge. 19. Trial before a court of session. 20. Trial of warrant cases by magistrates. 21. Trial of summons cases by magistrates. 22. Summary trials. 23. Plea bargaining. 24. Attendance of persons confined or detained in prisons. 25. Evidence in inquiries and trials. 26. General provisions as to inquiries and trials. 27. Provisions as to accused persons with mental illness. 28. Provisions as to offences affecting the administration of justice. 29. Submission of death sentences for confirmation. 30. Appeals. 31. Reference and revision. 32. Transfer of criminal cases. 33. Execution, suspension, remission, and commutation of sentences. 34. Provisions as to bail and bonds. 35. Disposal of property. 36. Irregular proceedings. 37. Limitation for taking cognizance of certain offences. 38. Miscellaneous. The Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, BNSS, 2023 replaces the Criminal Procedure Code, CRPC, 1973, aiming to modernize India's criminal justice system. Key changes include faster trials, increased use of technology, audio-video recording, electronic summons, trials in absentia, and stricter timelines for investigation and disposal of cases. It introduces community service as a punishment, enhances victims' rights, and strengthens provisions for bail, forensic investigation, and national security. BNSS streamlines criminal procedures to improve efficiency and transparency in the legal system.